So, hello and welcome to my next podcast. So, I'm doing a podcast about anything related to trading, investment, etc. It's information only. I'm doing this because I want to get lots of subscribers and educate the world about investing because proper, sensible, dedicated investing is a way that you get yourself out of poverty. And the way that the world is moving, it's something that most people need to do. This is an informational only. Do not take this as investment advice. Please, can you hit the subscribe button and the like in the link at the bottom, and I'll add a little bit of show notes at a later time. So this is an interesting thing. It's called the Polymarket. A lot of the time I just use it for other particular investments or bets on the market that I'm going to do. So, I mean, effectively, what it is that these numbers here are effectively a fraction of a dollar. So, effectively, if you either put sort of like $88 down and you get the other person's, or you do the reverse. Maybe I got it wrong, but it's for me. It's great because then you can find out what people are interested in. The 25 basis point decision in October. I mean, effectively, the US government are in a big problem because nobody wants their dollars. I wouldn't be surprised that the dollar DXY is going to be sub 70. So, I mean, there's a reasonable bet that it's going to be 25% basis points. I would expect that they will not ever do a 50% because the thing is that would scare the market if there's anything that people don't really understand. It'll probably be another 1% drop minimum. So I'm thinking that it'll be another 4/5 25 basis points drop. You've got things like that the Americans follow. What will Trump say during address to the UN General Assembly? Things that are a bit silly. And the price of Costco. Oh, sorry, will it beat its quarter? I mean, I think this 100 grade H1B policy, I think in the past it has been somewhat abused, so that you would just chuck in loads of people, 25, 30, and then the ones that was approved, you just push through. US and Venezuela military engagement. So that's probably something they'll do at the end of the year because there's a lots of I mean, effectively they want to do a reset on the financial market, and then that'll be something that can hide the shenanigans that are going on. Gold cards. I mean, the thing is that he's gonna make as much an opportunity of his potentially last term. Who's he going to meet? Will Russia invade a NATO country? Highly unlikely unless America is totally out. I think there will be a government brief shutdown because they're just spending too much money. I don't know. I don't think Microsoft will get TikTok or Larry from Oracle. I don't think they'll ever release Epstein files in 2025, maybe in 2040, or whatever the longest period of time is, because there's just, too twin to a lot of people in government and in sort of high visibility roles. I don't think there'll be a ceasefire because I think Ukraine people at the top want it to continue because they're getting a lot of free money from the world, and it'll spark fresh elections, which I don't think the incumbent would want to do. Yeah, I think Putin will probably be met and not until next year. So you can see how it works. I mean, it works quite interesting. And you can do relevant searching. I mean, this is on the trending. So you can have sort of the breaking news. Is that updated? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, just come in. So you can see here it's got the effectively the usual things. Some of it's new, relevant tweets. I mean, that's pretty. I mean, the interesting ones for me are the crypto and the earnings. So there's, I mean, the people that probably bet on this probably bet on crypto and probably bet on the earnings reports. The rest of it is just sort of lower level. So, the usual things. What price will Bitcoin hit in September? So it's sort of, where's the consensus? 22%. So 107. So here they reckon it's going to be a little bit higher. And then let's look at the earnings. I mean, the thing for this as well is it's a quite good way to actually see the major earnings calendar. I mean, they're not going to put reasonable minnows on here. So this can potentially be a way of saying, well, if it's over 80, then you've got you can probably go out to the market at that particular time. So you've got sort of world stuff. So I basically leave it there for you. So I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And also keep in mind that this video is for entertainment and information only. It is not seen as a way to invest your money. Seek investment advice. Thank you very much.